Hey everybody, this is Blake.
And Jeri.
We're going to tell you a little bit about Google's Notebook LM. This is a powerful AI model that you may want to use in your classroom. First of all, what is Notebook LM? Basically, it's a powerful AI engine that is programmed on sources that you give it. You give it information like documents, books, videos, PDFs, and slides, things that you already have vetted and that you already use in your classroom. And these build the knowledge base for the AI. So, unlike ChatGPT, you're in control of the quality of information that your students will have access to. Students can then ask the AI questions and get answers referenced from your course materials. We'll look at a few really awesome other tools here in just a moment. How do we access Notebook LM? You have to, if you have a Google account, you already have access. It's in your waffle, or you can go to notebooklm.google.com. Or you can use this QR code to get there as well. Just click sign in with Google and you're ready to go. As mentioned before, we can access using existing materials in new ways, like searching, or we can do other exciting things like turn our sources into a podcast. Notebook LM will turn your sources into an audio format featuring AI hosts. This blew me away the first time I heard it. The hosts were discussing my class content. It was really exciting. This is great for all students to listen to course content, and especially helpful for EL students and students who may have visual impairments or other needs. Notebook LM can also create video summaries of your content in two forms: an explainer, which makes a comprehensive overview that makes connections between your sources, and a brief, which is a bite-sized overview designed to quickly grasp course concepts. Other options, like Notebook LM, can create mind maps, reports, flashcards, quizzes, infographics, slide decks, and data tables. We can embed Notebook LM in Google Classroom, just like any other assignment, so students can create what they need to study in the way that they need to. So let's try it out. I'm going to turn it over to Jeri to show you guys how to set it up.
Notebook LM is an excellent tool for creating lots of different things. Let's take a look. You access Notebook LM, like Blake said, through either the waffle. It's part of the Google applications, or you can just go to notebooklm.google.com. You're going to click on Create New Notebook. Then it's going to have you search. You can either upload an existing source document, or if you have a download in your computer or your drive, you can get the document from there. But let's just go for the fun of it. Let's type in kinetic energy and see what the World Wide Web has for source documents referencing kinetic energy. Again, here we go. So it's given us multiple source documents. Let's just go ahead and, let's pick this kinetic energy document.
If we unselect, maybe.
Maybe if we have them all selected and then import that document. Here we go. So right here we see that Notebook LM is selecting that source document. It's inputting that source document. So it's uploading it into it, and here we go. It knows what it is: real life applications of kinetic energy. Over here are all of the various tools that you can utilize Notebook LM for. We could ask it to create an audio, which is the podcast that Blake was talking about. So down there, we're generating an audio overview. We can request a video. We can tell it to do a brief video, like that bite-sized overview. Generate a video. There's the video generating. What if we want our students to be able to pick how they would like to study? We could have them upload a source document that they create or we provide for them. And then if they are students that it's effective with flashcards, they like to study via flashcards, we can do that. What if you wanted to give them the source document and maybe have them popcorn read it amongst their team? Then you can create a quiz and you can quiz the entire class. It does take a little while for them to generate these tools or these resources. the other options that I see for this particular source document is slide deck, reports, mind map, and an infographic. So here we go. Our flashcards are ready. So Notebook LM has generated, how many flashcards do we have here, Blake?
60, it looks like.
60 flashcards. Oh my goodness. Let's go. What is the definition of kinetic energy based on the source material? Let's go ahead and how do we flip it? Ooh, it's the energy of a body due to the motion of the object. Blake, is that correct?
Sounds right.
That sounds right to Blake. Here we go. Let's try another one. State the mathematical formula for calculating kinetic energy. Let's see.
1/2 mv squared. Look at that. Very good.
Look at that. It created. So the students, instead of them spending so much time creating how they're going to study, Notebook LM helps them out. It's an excellent tool for their toolbox, and it gives them various options for creating what they'd like. So let's go back. Like I said, Notebook LM is a great way. Look, our quiz is up and ready to go. Here we go. We have a 10-question quiz. We put next, previous, 10-question quiz. That is brilliant. Let's see what else, Notebook LM. Our video is still loading and our audio is still loading. Again, utilize Notebook LM in your classrooms for your students to be able to upload source documents that either they create or you provide for them, or they can search the World Wide Web, and then they have various tools that they can use to help them study. We hope you enjoyed our Notebook LM tutorial.
Thanks, everybody. Have a great week.